Hello guys, so today EasyJet has reported the drone chaos just before Christmas at Gatwick has cost the airline £15 million. It affected about 82,000 people, but it says it's made a good start to the year and is well prepared for Brexit. 400 flights were cancelled due to the drone sightings as well. And it brought Gatwick to an absolute standstill. It cost roughly 10 million in customer welfare and 5 million in lost revenues, as a lot of people cancelled the flights and stuff like that. But despite all that, EasyJet expects to make full year profits for the financial year. The airline's also got 130 aircraft registered in Austria and made good progress in ensuring it has enough spare parts stored in the EU and in transferring crew licenses. Both the EU and the UK have also committed to ensure that flights will continue if Britain leaves with the EU without a deal on the 29th of March. EasyJet also said despite the consumer and economic uncertainty created by Brexit, demand currently remains solid and forward bookings for the period after 29th of March are robust. Total revenue in the first quarter to the 31st of December 2018 increased by 13.7%, and passenger revenue also increased by 12.2%. Passenger numbers in the first quarter increased by 15.1% to 21.6 million. And that was also driven in capacity as well by 18.2% to 24.1 million seats. So the company is basically saying, they have had a strong start to the year, but the drones had a big effect on their sales as well. The chief executive said there has been a one-off cost impact from this incident, but underlying cost progress is in line with expectations. I am proud of the way our teams worked around the clock to mitigate the impact of the incident and looked after affected customers. So I think EasyJet is doing really well, considering what's going on with Brexit. Nobody knows these deals, no deals, drones flying around the aircraft as well. They are on about extending the range from the airport where you can fly a drone, which I think is a good idea, and bringing in, and these anti-drone technology. I don't know how it works. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe for more, and thank you.